it's Paris. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe below. And if you aren't new and you're still not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss another upload from me. In today's video, we're going to do a full face of lip bar. I literally filmed this entire video, did a voiceover, did a whole bunch of talking, and when I went to go edit, the audio wasn't working for some reason. So annoyed. So I've been having some issues with that. However, today I just jumped on really quickly because I wanted to put in an intro. But this was actually filmed a few days ago, so I hope you guys enjoy it. I absolutely love the Lip Bar's products. All of their products are amazing, and not only the products, but the story behind the brand is absolutely amazing, so inspirational. If you're not familiar with it, please take some time to Google it. It will bless your life, I promise. It's such an amazing story. But today I used the entire full face, fast face, the entire fast face kit for my full face look. So if you're interested in seeing this look and how it turned out, not this particular look, but the look in the video, then keep on watching. you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video.